Hey, we got a train engine blocking the tunnel. With a quick fixer-up, we might be able to get her out of the way. Yeah, I'm on it! Reloading! Don't make me save your ass again. Fuck me! Reloading!
Here's something. How's this?
This will work.
This looks useful.
We got explosives here! It is fixed, but the train will not go unnoticed. There will be more to find. They are by the train tracks. Molotov guy! Bagged him! Watch the tracks! Reload! Crazy fucker with a knife coming! Oh, for crying out loud! Ammo here! Ammo's almost dry! Reloading! Hey, back down the road! Watch me take it! Reloading! Damn! Knife guy's coming our way! Watch it! Lethal fat guy rolling this way. Fuck me! I'm reloading! Oh my God! Watch your ass! Fat guy's attacking! Reloading! Let me show you how a man lobbing a grenade! Grenade! Come on, shoot again! Reloading!
I'm pretty banged up here.
We got explosives here!